Hello folks, how we doing? Glad to see you're here. It's been a little bit since I put anything on. Kind of been a rough couple of months here, first part of the year, but finally getting out and about again. We're going across, I would say it's central Indiana, pretty much. Rural Indiana. We are headed over to the Lafayette Farm Toy Show this weekend, and here it is, the end of February now. Going to be 1st of March, right shortly, and just a gloomy day. But anyway, we're headed that way, and I hope to see a lot of good toys and meet up with some good friends. So we'll catch you down the way.
Right, I'll be building it still too.
What was the other thing?
Just the finisher, the 9330 and the Adams.
Okay.
What's the scale of this?
It's 116.
It is, yes.
I'm looking for a 150. Yep, oh, I get that. But it's easier than trying to pick them up and knock something off the table. Right, right. Just get them on.
How you doing today?
Good.
I bought an Oliver off of you.
I'm going outside, I'll be back. Hey, John.
Hey,
How are you, sir?
good.
Alright, if I'm not here, let the young whoever up there down, okay? You're welcome.
sent him a message and he never answered. He's like, go back and get him. I'd already left.
We saw one sell at the Amish up in Arcola, Illinois on Wednesday. And I want it. Just because I failed. How we doing?
Good.
And I just asked him because I knew he had stuff, and I was looking for the video and I couldn't find it, so I messaged him and he told me. Yep. He's like,
Well, if you get way up there, I hope you can find my big nylon. There's some tires that I wanted on that 1900 industrial because now I'm going to get my own gun. I'm sorry. So we'll see if it's all the right thing. Yeah, I just told you. Yeah, that's what I was.
Very nice.
Thanks, sir.
Get her done.
Can you walk real quick? Let's go.
You know what? I don't know how to answer that. Some of it, but it starts with a cast. Good morning. Good morning.
Come on.
There's Rastus. What you doing, buddy? Slipping up on me, John.
Yep.
Anyone here for the truck build-off, registration is now open. They're located in the southwest corner of the Coliseum. If you have a display, they are taking registrations right now at Toy Tractor Times. Their booth is right inside the front entrance. If you have a custom farm piece that you're entering into that contest, you can come register those now too. Also, the FFA is doing a pedal tractor raffle. You can get tickets at the front door. It's $5 a ticket. 5 tickets, $20.
Yes. Right, I thought it was like very like quality white. What's the Mother's Day, right? Yeah.
All right, thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah.
Go ahead, Jerry. We'll catch it.
All right, hey, take that.
Thank you, I
Take that
appreciate it.
tractor.
I would love to.
Hey.
I'm gonna pass. I appreciate that.
You can send me in as many checks as you want.
Yeah, I'm gonna pass, but thank you.
Just take it with you.
I just told him I just ordered a $14,000 building to finish it with toys in. So yeah,
You need some toys for him.
okay. I have a shop at our place. I have one.
Yeah, Shane's in there. He's the one fucking with the most right. Yeah. Bigger, younger, not really younger, but younger than me, so. Yeah, he's the one with for like. Yeah. So you guys, okay? I stopped by.
Well, there's another one in the bag, folks. Very nice show. A lot of toys, I'm telling you. There was 3 big buildings full of toys. I hope I got some of it. They had a very large RC, a radio-controlled construction area, which I hope some of that comes out okay. And just a really nice show. They say it's one of the bigger ones here in the east of the Mississippi, and they're not lying. Come away with a lot of neat toys and some projects coming up. So again, thanks for coming along. I hope you had a good time. I hope I got some good footage for you. And if you would like, subscribe, share, all that happy crap. I don't know whether it's worth it or not, but you know, just I'm glad to be able to do some of this and just, you know, bring you along on my adventures. So again, it was a very good show. Well, my GoPro decided to give up the ghost. Took a dump in the middle of everything. So I had to kind of reset it. So one of them, you know, pull the battery out and kill it. Restart it. Anyway, I just wanted to let you know that I'm glad you came along. I really appreciate it. I hope I got you some good footage, and that you know, you had a good time. Anyway, yeah, that really frustrated me. Doggone it. I was going good there too, and I look at the camera, and it's just all messed up, and it won't shut down. It won't stop. You end up got to pull the battery. It's kind of like at our motel room. We get there, and like I say, I was talking about my GoPro here taking a dump on me, and got to pull the battery to kill it, restart it. You know, it's kind of like unplugging your computer. Well, this microwave, you put something in it and you press a button, and I don't care which button it is, it's like the one button, it comes on for 10 minutes. You press the 2 button, it comes on for 20 minutes. 3 button, 30 minutes, and on, okay? Well, once you press the button and you want to stop it, you can stop it by hitting the stop, you know, or you push the button to unlatch the door. Well, the problem is when you push the button to unlock the door, it comes up with the screen that says it's locked. Now, I've never seen a microwave lock up. Apparently they probably do, but I've never owned one that does that. I mean, you can't, when you press the button, it shuts it down and it opens it up, okay? Well, this thing, it shut it down, but it wouldn't open up, and it said lock on the screen, you know, the digital screen where it says the time and all that. It says LOC, lock, and you can't open it up. You press other buttons and then nothing happens. Well, finally, I just said, screw it. I unplugged it, and I heard a click, plugged it back in, and it's all zeros across, and I could open it up. Darndest thing I ever seen. Anyway, I'd done it again, same thing. You have to unplug it to open it up, and any of the buttons, no matter which one, you can't time anything. So you got, when you push the button to start it, you just push one of them, and then mentally figure it out. And so that was a challenge, since I'm mentally challenged. Anyway, the next thing, in the morning then, that following morning, that was the first evening we was there. The following morning, we go to make coffee. It's got a coffee maker in there, a little one, you know, a little single cup use. We fill it full of water, put the coffee in there, and put the cup underneath it, start it up, you know. You hear it starts a gurgling, gurgling, gurgling. It's just doing a bunch of gurgling. And all of a sudden, hot water starts pouring off the table. Evidently, the plug, or the tube that goes from the boiler through the coffee grounds was plugged up. And as it was boiling and trying to push the coffee out, it just pushed it out all over the place. So we didn't get any coffee from that coffee maker that morning. I had to go to Speedway get some. So anyway, there's just some of the weird things you run into in our adventures. So anyhow, we're headed home. We had a good time, and I hope you had a good time following our adventures. So laters, taters. Bye.